In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tail light on your Mini Cooper. It's located on the back of the car. So right here is where there's going to be a nut that you're going to remove, and then there's two things that you're going to push in to release the tail light from the vehicle. So when you're looking at it this way, your two tabs are going to be on this outside edge of the tail light, but through the body of the car. And this is going to be on this side. So you're going to reach around, you're going to undo that nut, and then you're going to push in on these two things. To remove this door, you're going to push in on these two tabs on either side and remove it. In here is where the tail light screw is. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove this nut. You're going to use a trim tool on the outside. You're going to push the tail light in, and then those two tabs that I showed you in the beginning on the new one, you're going to push in towards the lens, or towards this area. And you're going to have to undo them both at the same time and slowly pull the tail light out. It's not the easiest situation, but you'll get it. These right here, you're going to push in like this and like this. And as you're pushing in, you're going to put the trim tool in here and pull. So you unsnap it from the car. Now we're going to unplug this. I'm going to flip it around so you can see this right here. You're going to push this down. And you're going to pull out the entire assembly and transfer this over to the new one. Let's transfer it over. Make sure the fat side is on the bottom. And we're going to push this in. Make sure it's all lined up before pressing. It should click into place. And now we're going to install it. Make sure your gasket is lined up properly. And slide it into place. Make sure that rod is going through where you took that nut off in the beginning. You can guide it with your hand on the other side. And then snap it into place. Let's get that nut started like this. Go until it stops, and then you're going to snug it up. Make sure you keep an eye on the outside, and make sure when you're tightening it, you see it go in a little bit, but don't over tighten it and break it. You do want to push down that gasket a little bit. And that looks good. And now we can put our door on. Let's put our door back, slide that down, and snap it in. Now just make sure your lights still work, your bulbs, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.